Hello students, good morning all of you. Today our topic is components of foods. Previous class you have learnt about what are nutrients and test for protein and carbohydrates. Okay, and today we discuss about table number 2.2 nutrients present in some food items. Okay, so look at this table number 2.2 carefully. Okay, first food items: stress present, protein present, fat present. Okay, these are the food items. Raw potato, stress means carbohydrates. Okay, milk, protein, groundnuts, fats, uncooked powder rice, carbohydrates, cooked rice, carbohydrates, dry coconuts, fats, uncooked taro dal powder, protein. Okay, cooked dal, protein and fats, cooked dal, protein and fats. A slice of any vegetable, stress no, protein no, and fats no. Okay, a slice of any vegetable and a slice of any fruits, no, no, no. Boiled egg white portion present in protein. Okay, so look at this diagrams, table number 2.2. And okay, are you understand? Food items present stress, protein and fats. Okay children, are you understand? Next we discuss about test for fats. Okay, so test for fats: take a small quantity of food item, wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it. We take small quantity of food item and wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it. Take care that the paper does not tear. Okay, now straighten the paper and observe it carefully. Does it have an oily path? The paper, it have an oily path. Hold the paper against light. Are you able to see the light plenty? Light see the very plenty. Through these paths, an oily path on paper shows that the food item contain fats. Okay, the oily parts on paper shows that the food item contain fats. For example, source of the fats: groundnuts, coconut oil, ghee. These are the examples of the fats foods. Okay children, are you understand? Next we discuss about, we test food items for three nutrients: carbohydrates, protein and fats. There are also other nutrients like vitamins and minerals that are present in different food items. Why do we need all these nutrients? So we test three food items. First one, carbohydrates, protein and fats, and we need vitamins and minerals also. So next we discuss about what do various nutrients do for our body. Okay children, carbohydrates mainly provide energy to our body. Carbohydrate foods provide the energy. Fats also gives us energy. Fats food also gives us energy. In fact, fats gives much more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. Carbohydrate too, fats food also gives us more energy. Food contain fats and carbohydrates also called energy giving food. Carbohydrate foods and fats foods are called the energy giving foods. Protein are needed for the growth and repair of our body. Protein is the very important. What is the work? Growth and repair our body. Energy giving foods mean fats and carbohydrate foods, energy giving foods. Okay. So let's we discuss about some sources of carbohydrates coming from two types, plants or animals. First we discuss sweet potato, sugarcane, papaya, melon, mango, maize, bajra, rice and wheat. These are coming from plants. These are the source of carbohydrates, gives us energy. and nuts, groundnuts, and coconut oil, sunflower oil, mustard, these are also carbohydrate foods. And ghee, butter, milk, cream, eggs, fish, meat, these are the sources of fats. Okay, children, are you understand? These are the sources of carbohydrates and these are the sources of fats. Groundnuts, nuts, coconut oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil, and fish, meat, cream, milk, ghee, butter, eggs. These are the sources of fat. These are the sources of carbohydrates. Fats and carbohydrates also energy giving food. Okay. Next we discuss about protein foods. Gram, moog, taro dal, beans, soybean, peas. These are coming from plants. These are the protein foods. And meat, fish, paneer, eggs, milk, these are the protein food. These are coming from animals. Okay. And protein also often called the body building food. Protein also often called the body building foods. Mostly children need these protein foods. Okay, I understand. And next, vitamins helps in protect our body against the diseases. Vitamins also help in keep our eyes, bones and teeth and gums healthy. Vitamins also very important. So, what is the help of the vitamins? Vitamin helps in protect our body against the diseases. Vitamins also help keep our eyes, bones and teeth and gums healthy. So, vitamins is the very important. Okay? Vitamins also different kinds known by different names. Some of these are vitamin A, B, C, D, E, K. These are the some different kinds of different names of the vitamins. Okay, vitamin A, C, D, E, K. There is also a group of vitamins called the vitamin B complex. So this group of vitamins is called the vitamin B complex. Our body need all types of vitamins in small quantity. Our body need fats food, fats and carbohydrates, protein foods, and our body also need some small quantity of vitamins. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. What is the work of vitamin A? Keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin C helps body to fight against many diseases. Vitamin C works help to body to fight against many diseases. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. And sunlight, morning sunlight is the contain vitamin D. Okay, and food that are rich in different vitamins also shown number figure number 2.6 to figure number 2.9. These are the different sources of vitamin A, B, C, D. So first we discuss some sources of vitamin A: papaya, carrots, mango, and fish oil, milk. These are the some sources of vitamin A. And some sources of vitamin B. What are the rice, wheat, liver? These are the some sources of vitamin B. And vitamin C, guava, green chili, lemon, amla, orange, tomato. These are the some sources of vitamin C. And some sources of vitamin D, liver, eggs and fish, butter and milk. These are the some sources of vitamin D. So vitamins also very important our body. Okay children, thank you all of you.